I want you to look at my trades for this week and probably the past weeks, and then we'll discuss on how to go about it. Okay, so it's a downtrend, I sell. It's a downtrend, I'm only looking for sales. Okay, this is a downtrend, I'm only looking for sales. It's a downtrend, I'm only selling. Downtrend, I'm selling. It was an uptrend, I only bought. Downtrend, I'm selling. Downtrend, I'm selling. Okay, the trend, guys, downtrend, I'm selling. The trend, uptrend, I'm buying. Don't be the master who trades against it. It's a downtrend, I'm only looking for sales. Don't be the master who trades against it. I know there are some people who cannot even identify the trend, so they make mistakes, but we'll talk about that. I'll show you how to go about it. So for now, I just want you to look at my trades. This is a downtrend, I'm selling. This can improve your trading by even 50%. No matter how poor your strategy is, if you can master this one thing, your trading can improve by even 50%. So following the trend is one of the most important things. But then how do you go about following the trend? What you do is this. I spoke about it even in my previous video. The first thing that you do on Monday, okay, let's say this is Monday, your analysis for Monday is different from the analysis of the rest of the days, Tuesday to Friday. Your analysis for Monday is very different and very special. So what you do on Monday, go to the higher time frames, especially the daily time frame. Of course, you can do it on the 4-hour time frame. You can do it on the 4-hour time frame. That is if you are taking small trades on the 5-minute time frame. But if you are taking entries on the 15-minute time frame, you should be focusing much on the daily time frame. So what you do on the daily time frame, you try to identify the trend. For example, let's say price is moving like this. Price is moving like this. And what you do is you mark your resistance, you mark your support. And right here, you can tell that price is coming to drop until it gets to this support. Okay, so right at this point, know that that week on the 15-minute time frame, this small movement on the daily is going to be a long downtrend on the 15-minute time frame. Let me make just the last example. Let's say price on the daily time frame has made this flag or pennant, and then you come here, you identify this pattern. So from here you can tell that price is going to make a small move to the upward direction, and you know that the small move that is going to happen right here on the daily time frame is going to be a very long trend on the 15-minute time frame. So for this currency pair this week, you are only looking to buy based on your expectation on the daily time frame. So all you do is look for buy entries on the 15-minute time frame. Another thing that you do on the daily time frame, let's say you have identified this channel and you have identified that price on this currency pair is on a downtrend. What you do is you mark the point where price could be going. So right here, of course, you can assume that price is coming to touch this line, but you mark, let's say, this level. You highlight this level on the daily time frame so that when you switch to the smaller time frame, the 15-minute time frame, you know that once price gets to this level, you stop looking for the sell entries. So from here, you are going to be looking for sell entries within this region. I hope this makes sense. So first thing that you do on Monday, you go to the daily, you identify the trend. Once you have identified the trend, you mark the point where the trend could be going. Once you have marked the trend, you then look for the sell entries if it is a downtrend. So after identifying the trend and the point where the trend could be going, what you look for within that region, let's say this is a downtrend and you know that you are going to be looking for sell trades within that trend during that week. What you look for are simple things like, let's say, double tops within that trend, or triple tops, the general things that you already know. Triple tops, any sell pattern that you know, you can use it. You can even use the engulfing candles, bearish engulfing candles. Don't take them lightly. They are very powerful. This is black, this is white. You look for bearish engulfing candles, any sell pattern that you know, any sell chart pattern. You can even look for continuation patterns like the pennants you sell. You can even consider the flags. If it is a flag, you sell again, any sell pattern that you know. But the most important thing is to know the trend and the point where that trend could be going, so that you look for trades along that region until you get to the place where you marked on the higher time frame where you think price might be going, the next major resistance level or key level. So that simple thing, if you can master it, it can improve your trading by 50%. 50%. The strategy is a bonus. If you have a good strategy, it is an added advantage. You add this to it. I've already taken signals. Let me just show you. First from MT4. Okay, it's refreshed and I'm in profit. Let me show you my other account. It's MT5. It's refreshed and I'm in profit. This is what I do all day. Okay,